everyone, my name is Jaden and I am in Teenager 1 Level 4. Today we're going to be talking about how to digital design with Photoshop. Now this is a Photoshop digital design that I've done before. I'm going to try to recreate something sort of like this. So I'll just create the new paper for a second. Delete this one because I already saved it. And let's continue. So what I did to make that is just that I chose any random color with the brush pen and I just scribbled it around. Like I just completely started scribbling. You'll see how it turns out later. You'll see how it turns out later. You'll see how this will turn out later. So just give me some time. Now I made something sort of like a scribble. I'm gonna turn this into something a lot more better. So I'm gonna take this paint bucket tool and then I'm just gonna change the color around and then I'm just gonna fill it in. See? Now I can continue doing this with different colors as well. Like for example, I can do it with red now. Oh, sorry. I can do it with red now. See, I can change the line if I wanted, but I don't want to do that. I just want to fill the colors in. And I can keep on continuing this process until it's done. In the end, it will turn really good. So stick to the end. You might see me accidentally change the line a lot because there's going to be a few pixels here, like you see from these very small things that I'm hinting at. Yeah, those things might be a little bit challenging for the paint bucket to put in. I might just use the brush there, but who knows. Now I'm gonna do green and then switch it up like this so I have more, so I have the last one saved and then start using it. And then I'm just gonna keep on changing it. I can make it different shades of green as well. And I can do the same for the other colors as well. I can make a different shade of red. Like for example, before I made like this very bright red. But now I can just make it like very dark red. Like looking like or like brown type red. Like brownish red. Yeah. Yeah, just think of it like that. Alright. Now after that, just change it to another color. Maybe pink. Alright. And then just continue to change it. Also try to spread the color a little bit. Don't like keep them in one area like I was doing. Didn't notice. Don't keep them in like one area like that. Try to separate them so it will look more interesting. You know this part, you see these pixel parts here? Yeah, you're gonna see me press Control Z a lot when you see these very tiny holes in there. Alright. Use some green, change it to a very super duper light green. Alright. Now spread it out. Don't keep them all together. You can keep on doing this until it's over. You can change more colors. You can use gradients if you want. But I'm just gonna stick with the normal type. Oh, I accidentally switched. And I switched there. Nice. I'm trying to use a specific color set, but I think my curiosity is gonna get better for me, and I'm gonna soon use yellow. Yeah, I think I have to use yellow. I'm gonna have to use yellow. Yeah, just why not? I'm gonna sort of make something out of this. Wow, okay. That's still super small. Man, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna be. Oh god. Alright. So when something like this happens, you just change the color to the another one that you want. Like let's say I'm just gonna change it to light blues, so it's a little bit more obvious where I should put it. But it's a little bit too bright for me, so I'll go a little bit darker. And then change the line color. See? Even though it's not the same, which I don't remember if it is or not. Alright. Just gonna keep on changing it around. Just gonna keep on changing it. Gonna spread it out so not many people can find it. This is gonna take. This is still going. It's kinda hard to choose the right set of colors for this, but other than that, pretty easy. Just scribble all around it and find a way to use it. I try to be creative with these, so yeah. Subscribe. Oh. Alright, we're almost done. It's even though I say almost, it's still gonna take a long time. So this is gonna be over. Let me just adjust my webcam so you can see the RGB pattern that I'm never gonna use. You can use it if you want. Okay. Uh, now we're actually almost done. Just get a couple of these holes on and then we're good. Let me just take a little bit of a break first and see what we have so far. Yeah. Basically, if you notice, I try to go for something abstract. So let me just, there you go. Alright, back. I'm just gonna make it like sort of purplish. Oh, equip the wrong one. Paint bucket. Change the color. Maybe somewhere like something around here. Yeah, there you go. Oh, wrong one. Oh my god, this is painful. It's taking quite a long time, but we're almost done. Okay. Is it just me or does anybody look? Does anybody the? Is it just me or does this look like Patrick? This looks like Patrick, but with like no line time. I'm gonna give him one. There you go. Now onto the hard parts inside their gaps. You're gonna have to Control Z a lot. Or for MacBook users, Command. Hi. Almost done. My God. I'm gonna see me a lot very laid back in this entire video. Technically, you could probably fill this up with a whole color. Let's say you could just like choose 2 colors and then like absolutely dominate it there. But I like to make things more challenging, so I'm using multiple colors. Where's this? Okay. Nice, nice, not nice, 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 nice. By the way, I have my thing of control right now. But if you press control, you get moving, so I have to be prepared. I have to react fast. Wow, this really does give off an abstract feel. Hold on. Let's take some colors in here, maybe. And after that, I'm just gonna fill bucket everything.
Wait. Hello? Hello?
Okay.
Itunya yang Gojek boleh dihapus dulu, Pak Rob. yang Gojek itu dihapus.
Oh my gosh, I'm almost done.
Ini yang Gojek
No
dihapus.
way.
Ayo.
After the long grind, it is almost done.
Yuk, itu yang Gojek. Oke. Hah?
Almost done.
Itu di flash gak ada fruit ya? Gak ada buah ya?
Alright, I'm done.
Buah ya?
Oh wait, it's a little tiny speck here. And I'm done. So thank you for listening to this.
Oke.
It's gonna take you a while to finish this yourself, but in the end it will be worth it. This is what I got, and thank you for watching.